would like to show you what's in my fridge today. There is a strawberry marmalade, there are some eggs, there is milk, there are some sodas, there are strawberries, there is a pineapple, there is peanut butter. Thank you, teacher.
Hello, teacher. In my fridge there is eggs, milk, mayonnaise, jelly, strawberries, yogurt, yam, cheese, chicken, ice cream. Thanks for watching, teacher. Bye.
Hello, teacher. This is my fridge. There is milk, there is juice, there is apple juice, there is a banana, there is an apple, there are orange, there are grapes, there are carrots, there are yogurts, there is cheese, there are eggs, there is katsu.
Hello, I am Darren. In my fridge jar is in the box is pineapple, carrot, potato, tomato, and lemon. Above is jelly, milk for cow, beans, and salad. Sauce, cheese, and yogurt. In the door is my milk from almond, juice apple, soda, mayonnaise, eggs, butter, ketchup, sauce Valentina, cream, onion, and insulin from my grandma. Thank you. Bye.
Hello, teacher Marco. My name is Lore Itzae. In my fridge, there is milk, honey, butter, cream, jam, cheese, yogurt, and some tomatoes. That's all.
Hello, teacher. In my fridge is fish, eggs, mayonnaise, ketchup, yogurt, apple, tomato, carrot. Teacher, is Anjali
chicken, broccoli, lettuce, onion. Thank you.
Teacher, in my fridge there is jelly, rice, chicken, and avocado. There are milk. Lemon,
Dile, thank you.
thank you. Hello, friends. Hello, Teacher Marco. My name is Adomi. What is in my fridge? In my fridge is soda, ketchup, yogurt, and tamal, and tomatoes, and carrots, and juice, and juice. Thank you.
Hello, teacher. My fridge there is eggs, salt, milk, soda, grapes, tomatoes, carrots, lemons.
Hello, my name is Ismael Morales Vázquez. Watching the break, I would like to eat and sandwich and orange which the breakfast for lunch and I would like to eat spaghetti for dinner, pizza and Coca-Cola. Thank you. Hello, teacher, and my friend is a melon, eggs, apple, broccoli, milk, capsule, mayonnaise. Onion, potato, right, teacher. Hello, teacher, and my friends. My name is Natalia Mendia Morales. In my fridge, there are jackals, there is papaya, there are 2 apples, there are 2 tomatoes, there are sausages, there is ham, there is onion, there are cheeses, there is marmalade, there is milk, there are chilies, there is carrot. Thank you. Thank you.